Archiver is an easy-to-use standalone software application for archiving, moving, and restoring complete Avid projects and all of their associated files, including bins, sequences, media, attics, settings, everything. In one simple archive process, Archiver allows you to archive to a hard drive, burn to removable media, and remove the original files from your system. Archiver version 2 introduced several new features and is free to those in support as of June 1st, 2021. We've supercharged and streamlined Archiver's Avid project indexing, added the ability to associate multiple external project drives, and updated Archiver to accommodate the very latest versions of Media Composer. Version 2 also provides integrated thumbnails for most media files, as well as a way to quickly preview media files in the free QuickView LT media player, if installed. Simply want to hash an entire Avid project and its media before you take it with you? It only takes 2 clicks. In fact, you can hash the contents of any folder by simply dragging the folder into a new drag-and-drop project, then going to the File menu and choosing Hash. The entire project and all of its contents will be cryptographically hashed. A detailed report will be displayed, and you can save the report as an HTML document. Need to clean your system of orphaned files to free up disk space? Check out the advanced options under Archiver's Tools menu. These options will search your system for orphaned files, display any found by associated project, and allow you to delete them to free up storage space. Visit our website to download a free trial version of Archiver today.